What is up, everybody? Rich Homie Carrier back again with another banger video. Thank you so much for staying tuned, watching my videos. It means so much to me. I'm finally getting monetized, so getting paid for all the hard work that I'm doing. And just want to thank every single one of y'all that have been tuning in every week. And I'm gonna push out more videos. Just keep watching them ads, run up my revenue so I can buy more car parts. But all joking aside, I just want to thank everybody for watching, and let's get into the video. For today, we are installing carbon fiber parts on the Dodge Charger Scat Pack. I am super excited because, the Dodge Charger's interiors, they're not the most premium. Even if you have the Plus package, they're, compared to luxury manufacturers, or even, compared to Honda or Kia, they're alright. They're not the best, but, installing some carbon fiber parts is gonna make the interior look a little bit more modern, sporty, as well as a little bit luxurious. So let's get into it. All right, so the parts that I have today, these are actually window panel covers or overlays. So this is not actual carbon fiber, it's just plastic that has been hydro dipped in the carbon fiber pattern, which it's all right to me. It's cheaper that way, plus of course you still have that carbon fiber look. And it looks very good. And of course, I just dropped it. And of course, on the back, you have your 3M tape. And I found this on Amazon for $20 for the whole set here. And of course, you have, the switch panel overlay for the 2 front doors and then the 2 rear doors, which are these mini ones. And of course, all of them come with 3M tape on the back. Alright, so here are the pieces. You have your driver's side window switch panel cover, the passenger side, these are for the front doors, and these 2 are for the rear doors. And just taking a close look, they do look pretty high quality for what they are. They're just a piece of plastic with the carbon fiber print, I think hydro dipped. And first impressions, they do look pretty decent. They feel higher quality. And the materials you're gonna need to install this: some rubbing alcohol, lint-free microfiber cloth, or instead of this, you can get the 3M adhesive booster, which also works well. And something optional, but definitely helps a lot, or some tweezers. So definitely get them off your significant other, either boy or girl. It's 2021, we don't judge here, but these make it a whole lot easier to take this off, especially one of the smaller adhesive stickers. These are pretty decent size, but for other carbon fiber parts I had, there were like a bunch of tiny ones to remove, and when I removed them with just my fingers, it took forever. So this definitely sped it up. And last but not least, you can also use a heat source, so a heat gun or a hair dryer, but it's pretty warm outside, and this is not going to be hanging anywhere. It's just going to be laying flat, so I don't think I would need a heat source. Plus, it's the car inside is pretty warm, so I think we should be good. So what we're going to do, we're going to go outside, install this, and I'll show you what it looks like. Sheesh, doesn't the car look so nice? Dang, just love it, especially with the tint, man. So let's get into it. All right, to prep the surface, make sure you just wipe it, the dry side of microfiber cloth. Just make sure you get any dust and dirt out of it. Then put some rubbing alcohol on it, or your adhesive booster, and then just wipe on the surface. And then you want to do this on all 4 sides first, just so you have enough time to be efficient and let it dry, and then you can put your parts on. You see all the surface is nice and dry, no dust particles or anything like that. Just take out your first piece. Let's just peel off the adhesive and stick it on. So here's a piece. You're gonna peel off the adhesive. And like I said, a nice tool to always have is a tweezers, because look at this. Bang, as easy as that. Make sure you just line it up nicely. And you have to get under the actual window switches and apply full force.
A few moments later.
Alright, just installed it. Looks nice. You see it has a nice even chrome bezel showing. But then you got the actual carbon fiber piece up here, and it's nice and centered all around the switches. And you can still, press the switches without any problem. So nice, 1 down, 3 more to go. Piece number 2. Alright, there we go. Just slip it under the window switch. Make sure you line it up.
A few moments later.
There it is. Looks really good. Matches that. Much better than, the normal black plastic. Alright, y'all, 2 more to go, and definitely the easier pieces. So let's get into them. Alright, still use it. Yeah, looks good. Last piece. Alright, 4th one has been installed. And just look at this. So yeah, after final installation, this looks good, completes the look of this, and definitely worth the $20 buy. So definitely happy about that. This was actually gifted to me by a subscriber. They didn't want me to shout them out. They didn't have any content on their channel, which makes sense, but I really want to appreciate you for that. And another YouTuber sent me more carbon fiber parts. They sent me the little seatbelt covers, the carbon fiber covers, as well as this steering wheel overlay. So shout out to Wide Body Scat 520. He was definitely the man for sending me those parts, especially this. I love the steering wheel overlay. Yeah, going back to the carbon fiber parts, they look fantastic. So yeah, this makes the interior pop a little bit, especially being this is a black on black on black on black on black car. So just wanted to add a little bit of flair to it, and carbon fiber is the way to go. Yeah, definitely gonna get more carbon fiber parts, but starting out, this looks great. All right, y'all, so that was just a quick little install of the carbon fiber window switch panel overlay, and it looks fantastic. I love it. Makes the interior pop just a little bit, and makes the interior a little bit more expensive feeling, I guess. With the plus package or the plus group on these Scat Packs, I love the the leather as well as the stitching all around, even here. But the inclusion of the carbon fiber just makes it a little bit more premium feeling, and I love it. So definitely more carbon fiber parts coming soon. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe. I'm gonna link down in the description where you can get the carbon fiber panels, as well as I'm gonna link Wide Body Scat 520's channel down below, because he did send me the seatbelt carbon fiber covers as well as the steering wheel overlay, which looks fantastic. And yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. This was just a quick little video, and I just want to say once more, I appreciate everybody for watching and subscribing. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more videos coming up. And yeah, this is Rich Homie Cow signing out.